Hi, good evening. So we are at Kataria camp from Ganga Jhirya Jhinna in Gangau range in Panna Tiger Reserve. So what we are doing here is at the top of the plateau here. This is the start of the, if you see, this is the start of the Talgaon plateau here, and there is absolutely no water on this plateau out in this area. There are two towers out here which are very important jockeys for the forest department here to take care of any fire situation plus any sort of an anti-poaching situations. They are very important towers out here, and there is no water here, so people are very living in a very difficult situation. So what we are doing here is we are giving water to the two camps out here, plus we are also giving water to the two dry water bodies out here, so that the animal stays here in the summers. Right now the situation is that in summers the entire animal they move down to the plateau, below the plateau, and go there where the water is, because there is no water in this area. This is extremely dry area, but if you are able to actually give water 2-3 places in this area, we will be able to help animals stay in this area and have the ecosystem alive in this area as well.
मेरा नाम राम सफल बैगा, बीट घाट कटरिया, पन्ना गंगाऊ अभ्यारण्य, PTR पन्ना। जो अर्थ ब्रिगेड फाउंडेशन जो पानी सोलर की व्यवस्था करी है, वो हमारे और हमारे वन्य प्राणी के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, और जो भी बीच बीच में वाटर बॉडी में पानी दिए हो वो बहुत अच्छा है। इसलिए कि गर्मी अपने यहाँ पानी बहुत कम है और कमी भी है, तो अपन को अच्छा है। हमारे दोनों वॉच टावर में पानी की व्यवस्था हुई है, इसलिए गर्मी में बहुत मुश्किल का सामना करना पड़ता था, तो ये लग गया। आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा और धन्यवाद।